Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and this video is a step-by-step GetResponse email marketing tutorial for beginners. So GetResponse is one of the best email marketing platforms around, and the good thing about it is you can get started for completely free, as they provide you with a 30-day free trial period, and from there you can go onto their paid plans if you want, which starts off at $15 per month. Now, to get started on GetResponse, once on their platform, you're going to tap on Create Free Account, or you're going to tap on Sign Up Free in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a page like this after entering your email address and your name. And from here, you can enter your company name, country, address, and also your phone number. Then tap on Next Step. After you have done that and you have verified those information, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, we are going to scroll down and we're going to tap on I prefer to explore on my own. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the GetResponse dashboard. Once on the GetResponse dashboard, I'll now show you how to start email marketing. So you're going to go over to the left-hand option. So let's close this real quick. After you have done that, you can see the different options. So you can either choose to create a newsletter, create a pop-up form, or create a landing page. There are numerous options that you can use when it comes on to GetResponse. The first one that I'll be showing you is creating a newsletter. So you can tap on Create Newsletter. Then from there you have two options. You can either create a newsletter by yourself or with their AI email generator. But for that you'll need to upgrade. We'll tap on By Myself. After selecting By Myself, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to start creating or better yet editing. Once on this page, you can add the title for your message. So you can type it in right there. Then scroll down. After doing that, you can also add a subject line and you can add your recipients. After doing that, you can now design your message. So you could tap on Design Message right here. And from here, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from by scrolling down. So it all depends what type of email campaign you would like to start, as you can see the different options right here. So all you'll need to do is scroll down till you find one of your liking. So let's say, for example, I would like to use the coupon offer. I could tap on Use this template. Also, if you would like to create one from a blank template, you could do that. But I would recommend that you use one of the pre-made templates, as that is a lot easier to use. So we'll tap on Use this. Selecting Use this template, you'll be redirected to a new page, and at the moment you can see how it looks. Then from here you can start editing. So right where you see logo, you could tap right there, and from there you could replace it and add your own logo by tapping on Replace. You can also edit each text section by simply tapping on the text section, and then from there you can start typing out your text. You can edit each section, as you can see right here. It is quite easy to do. You can also edit the button section by tapping on the button. You could type in the URL that you would like to redirect your customers to once they tap on the button by tapping right here, or you could select where you see web address. So let's say, for example, you would like to add a phone number. You could select phone. You can also select webinar, or if it is a case that you'd like to redirect them to an email address, you can do that. You can also change the button text, and you can also change the button color. And by scrolling down, you can tap on each section to edit it. If you would like to edit the image right here, you can do that. You can also edit the image URL right where you see embed from a URL. You could edit that also if you want. And you can scroll down, and that is basically it. To edit each section, you'll simply tap on the section. And if it is a case that you'd like to add an element that you don't see, so for example, if you'd like to add a video or image, all you'll need to do is select the element box, then you'll drag and place it where you want. As you can see right there, it is as easy as that, and then from there you'll be able to add the video URL. You can also tap where you see e-commerce, and from there you could add a product box, or you could add a product promo. And if we were to tap on my blocks, this is where you'd find the blocks that you have saved. And you can tap on next in the top right hand corner once you're finished, or you could select test and preview, and then from there you could send a test message, or you can tap on preview to see how it looks. So you can see how it looks at the moment. This is it. So this is how the message will look once someone receives it in their email. So we'll tap on exit preview in the top right hand corner. Then from there you could tap on save as my template, or you can tap on save draft and exit. We'll be doing that. We are going to go back to our main dashboard by tapping on the get response icon in the once on the main dashboard. I'll now show you how to create a form or pop-up. All you'll need to do is tap on create form or pop-up. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, what I want you to do next is, depending on what you'd like to create, you'll select one of these options. It all depends. So for example, if it is a pop-up you'd like to create, you can do that as sign up pop-up or download prompts. Or if it is a case that you would like to place a still sign up form on your page, you can do that by tapping there, then tapping on next. After selecting next, you'll be redirected to the template page. On the template page, you have different categories that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So you can select get more sales, and you can see the different templates that they recommend. You can select stay connected, and you'll also see the different templates. If it is a case that you want to get feedback, you can see the different templates that they recommend right here. So you have quite a few options depending on what your main aim is. Let's say we want to get more sales and we want to use one of these templates. You can simply hover over the template that you'd like to use, then tap on use template. After selecting use template, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you can start making your changes. All you'll need to do is tap on the section you'd want to edit. Then you are going to see a box pop up on the right hand column. From here you can edit the text, you can edit the font size and all of that. And if we were to tap on the image, we'll be able to change the image. As you can see right here, you can choose to replace image, or you can choose to embed an image from a URL if you want. You can also add a URL, so once someone taps on that image, they'll be redirected to that URL. You can also add your promo code right here. By tapping on the current promo code, you could tap on create promo code. After doing that, all you'll need to do now is tap on next in the top right hand corner. After selecting next, you'll be redirected to this page, and you'll need to enter your website URL, or you can tap on specific pages right here and select a specific page. If it is a case that you'd like to connect, or better yet, get web connect, you can do that also. Or let's say for example, you'll be adding this form onto your Google sites or any website, and you simply want to embed the code. You can do that by tapping on copy to clipboard, and from there you'll be able to paste the embed code and use it. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard, again, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. From the left-hand menu option, you can also see that you can create a landing page, you can also create autoresponder, and you can also tap on campaign. You'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can add in your campaign name. then scroll down, tap on next step. After selecting next step, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see step 2 of 3, tailoring your message, and we'll use your answers to teach AI what you want to communicate. So you can simply type in what are your products or service highlights. Then from there you can scroll down and you can select your niche or field. So you can see an example is fitness. After you have done that, who would you like to reach? So you'll type in your target audience right there. After doing that, you would scroll down and tap on next step. And from there, you can continue using their AI to customize your email campaign. And that's it. If you would like me to go more in depth in these features, please let me know in the comment section, as this is a quick overview. And thank you for watching this tutorial.